So, today I was thinking about nature and stuff. It's pretty nice out today. Nice and chilly. Saw some squirrels over there. I think they were wrestling. I'm pretty sure they're the blue squirrels from, I think they live over there or something. If you look really far up in that tree, you might see some birds. That's what you call a very big tree. It's from the bark family. If you look down there, it's the river biome. Hey. River biome down there. That's where all the fishes live. The fish. You know what you call a no-eye fish. That does it for this episode. See you next week.